Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com, and I'm doing a special video for everybody. I speak at various venues about several different topics that go far beyond stocks. I talk quite a bit about history and challenging people with their goals, motivations, and their deep-seated fears and how to overcome them. Bottom line is this. A lot of people say, and it always comes true in speaking, what's in it for me? WIFM. It's true for so many different facets of life. What's in it for me? What are you going to do for me? And so I'm going to lay a few things out. What do I do? What do we do at MissionWinners.com? What's in it for you? That's what counts. There's a great quote also, or a great thought. A lot of people say, you know what? One of the greatest things you can do is steal things. You know, thou shalt not steal. Well, there's various things you can steal. You can steal a person's possessions. You can steal a person's money. You can steal all different kinds of things. There's something else you can steal. You can steal a person's time. I don't believe in it. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to waste your time. So what's in it for me? My background is in education and also investing. I've been doing it for 30 years. You all have heard that before. There's nothing new there, but here's my key point. What will I do for you? Several different things. I will sit there and teach you how to find winning stocks. I will teach you, I do teach you every day, what to look for in winning stocks. Specifics. What are the earnings growth? What are the sales numbers? What about the industry group? We'll also take into consideration what's the market doing at that time. After I've done all this, I make screens and I explain to people how to make screens. After I explain how to make screens, I produce a list and it's called a key list. I make it every night, and on the key list, I give the specifics as far as the ticker symbol and the price to pay to the penny. Also every night, we make a video, a key list video that goes through every chart and shows you the buy points and why to the penny. These are the various things that we do for people. At the same time, we go in and we analyze the industry groups and the big industry groups, where to buy, where to sell to limit losses, where to sell to lock in profits. After we've done all this, you get the list. But I want to show you something here. These are some past key list stocks. And again, my goal is this, to help you make money faster. A lot of people give stock ideas, and they're great, but they don't explain why. Can you think about this for a second? If you follow somebody and they're doing a great job, but you're not learning anything, what happens if they die? I don't want to sound fatalistic, but it's a cold, hard reality. What happens when they die? Have you learned anything? What are you going to do next? Where do you go next? What are you going to do? Or you just continue on the same path and look for somebody else? Knowledge is power, and so it's important that you know things. So I just wanted to clarify that with you. So we make a list, we make a key list, we make a key list video. We'll put it out there. In the VIP feed, we go through every day. I'm in there 7 hours a day, 8 hours a day, and I go through with the stocks that I'm buying with real-time alerts. You can say, what do you mean? I'll show you one. Here we go, right here. I put in real-time buy alerts and real-time sell alerts. There's one right there. That's an actual buy. Green for buy, red's for sell. And I always put those in there as I'm doing the stocks. They all know the stocks because they get the key list, so they get a good idea of which ones that I'm looking at. And I will sit there and say, a couple weeks ago, Twitter getting close, right in here. Twitter getting close. And then if it triggers, I'll say, I post it with this. Twitter, buy, small, or the number of shares. I put that in there. Well, no, I don't give the number of shares, and there's a reason why. Everybody's account size is different, and it would be dangerous to do that because if somebody has a smaller account, you could really wreck them, and I don't believe in that. I'm very, very prudent and disciplined on how to approach investing. So I'm going to show you a couple of things here. We're going to go through and look at a couple of key list stocks. The bottom line is this. You get a list. You get the video. But more importantly, you have questions and answers. 7.5 hours every day, I'm in there answering real-time questions from people. Hey, Pat, what do you think about this? Pat, what should I do with this? And I frequently make videos in responding to their questions. If not, I answer them quickly in the VIP feed. Here's Twitter. It was a keyless stock right here. We own this. VIP members own this. Bought it right in here. It's moving on up. 6 points plus right there. 6 points on $33, $34. Do the math. Square, we're in it down here. Right in here. 51, 52. Here we go. 63. We're in it. VIPs are in it. NVIDIA, we're in it. Running it up. Just wanted to show that to you. Amazon. We own Amazon right down here. Right in here and here. Average cost on Amazon around 1607. 1607. We sold some off this morning. Told the people, selling into strength. We sold some for more than a 100-point profit. Now that's an expensive stock, but you know what? I'll take 100 points. I'll drive across town for 100 points. That's what we did. These are the kinds of things that we do. We're constantly looking for stocks that can make good moves. We quote unquote key on those. So WIFM, what's in it for me? You get a constant education. You have access to me 7.5 hours a day, real time, asking me questions and I answer them in the VIP feed. You get a VIP, you get the list, the key list, in tablet format with the specific ticker and the buy price to the penny. And you also get a key list video where I do a chart analysis on every stock on the list. And on down the line. These are ones we own. Right there. Up 30 points in Netflix. Right here. And we can document it. That's what we do for you. Just wanted to share that. I'd love to have you be a member. I'd love to work for you. I would love to explain things to you to help you speed up your learning curve. Why? So you can make more money with less stress. Final point for all of you. All of you, do us a favor. If you like what we're doing here, please hit the like button. And the other thing is this, you got a chance? Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our goal again is this, speed up that learning curve. Why? Make more money faster, but more importantly, know why, know how to do it. So anyway, if you'd be so kind, subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button. Hit the like button. There's ice cream in it for you.